Good morning, traders. ETH, yes, the big crypto trade. You heard me. Not only that, Tommy Trader has guided everyone in. We popped 109 points. We're coming right up here. That's going to be the major resistance level where we call that little pullback tested. The moving averages gapping up. Join us 2024 Trading Crypto. It's on the YouTube channel. We've been doing this for the last 15 years on YouTube. So it's important that you subscribe to the channel with Tommy Trader. Give us the thumbs up if you like the video. Then tell your friends about it. We are long. We will keep stop losses to protect our profits, and we'll continue to buy the dips. This is the way that we're starting out the new year in ETH. We featured it on the channel that it would outperform Bitcoin in 2024. So, once again, long and mean, and taking that money, let us guide you. Let us take you to the next level when it comes to trading crypto. We have a lot of coins that we buy, and we make a lot of money. 109 point gap up higher to resistance. Join us now. Take that free 5-day trial. Don't hesitate. Don't wait. Act today.